Hey folks, it's Kevin with OrientWatchUSA.com, and today we have the watch that we like to call the Producer. The Producer is a classic time-only dress watch. Powering this timepiece is the Orient in-house caliber 46A40, which is an automatic winding movement. A portion of the 46A40 can be seen through the semi-skeleton dial for your enjoyment. This version of the Producer has a traditional black dial set against dolphin hands and hour markers. The stainless steel case is rectangular and measures 35.5 by 45.5 millimeters. The Producer has a 50-meter depth rating. This version of the Producer is mounted on a black leather strap to complete the dressy look. I also want to say that Orient Watch USA is the only US-based company with a direct relationship with Orient Watch. We have the biggest variety online, and we offer special discounts on after-sales services. Please be aware of fake Orient watches online from unauthorized dealers. So give us a call to see if we can match a price and exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you wearing this Orient watch soon.